Hey guys, welcome back. We're going chapter 3, chapter 4 cutscenes, but chapter 5 to chapter 7. Actually, no, chapter 7 will be a cutscenes too. Yep, chapter 8 will play. Chapter 9 it will play. You guys will get it along the way. Guys, water base was a scrap, okay? So you're not gonna see that. What I mean about cutscenes, we're gonna start like you'll see all endings. This is the outro. Bad ending, get infected. Good ending, watch out. Good ending, you save everybody. Yeah, you have to save everybody on the map. True, let's say true, like a true ending, everybody. Oh, like this part of the true ending, everybody. Yeah, that's what's actually supposed to happen. Yes, bunny save. Yeah. Well, that didn't go planned. Okay, well, we're at the bunny save. I got killed. I am no longer infected. Stop, you don't need to fight. Take that, wolf head. Yeah, wolf head. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna move on to the next. There is a start cutscene, but don't really need to show that. In chapter 4, if I can find it. Military base. Whee! Cutscene. We're gonna. The intro doesn't matter. Intro doesn't matter, I meant to say. There's so much infect. Right now we only see one, but yeah, he like it's ease, but hashtagged. I just had to say it. Don't worry, dirty cop. Don't worry, but still pew pew. Don't worry about that. That should be all. Watch out, bang bang. Thanks, Willow. But later in the next, like in a couple chapters, dude. Yeah, hashtag. We'll land and see you guys on the other side of the Atlantic Ocean. Yep. Next up is gonna be a gameplay. And it will be the Titanic. Whoop 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 whoop. Gotta change the bot. I'm gonna go Dakota. I didn't want Clowny. Dakota. Bot. Guys, if you like Drafty, this is the part you should skip. The end cutscene you should skip. In the next chapter, which means you would basically... Yeah, but we'll just do the cutscene on chapter 7 because how long it is, dude. The map is... It's not... Especially in solos, dude. It feels like 50 people. It won't be too long, bro. It'll be like instance. Like... Iceberg straight ahead! Iceberg, iceberg, iceberg. Gotta get. Oh no, the bow has flooded. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yep, I gotta use. Guys, there was supposed to be a blue Mimi there, but Mimi was always glitching there. So I had to remove her there. Guys, it's not a pony focus chapter. So I'm gonna zoom in because it's not pony focus. Yeah. Oh boy. Purple key. Bro, we're here with player NPCs. I know. Don't worry about those player NPCs. I did that as a prank to somebody, dude. I forgot to remove them when I saved something else. And yeah, so might be a problem. And I believe. And we made it through that chapter. Don't worry, that was just because where I placed the escape block. We hit the iceberg and we all evacuated. Yeah, I was supposed to say those Willow and Tiger have been fighting all day. When did you get? But yeah, Bunny's infected. But this is not the bunny savior path, it's the true path. Yeah, guys, I made this outside the map for that scene, for those scenes. So guys, chapter 7 is up next. We will be loading in the docks. And this is chapter 6. So yeah. And I'll go change bot skin. I also have to do this. Summer evening. Use my equipped skin. Yeah, I was about to say something, but I forgot to put dialogue. Hee, my bad. Gotta go fast. We'll drive, guys. Guys, it's the docks. We're at docks. Bro, he's so fast. That figure. Guys, I'm zooming out just to grab this one thing right now. But still, yeah, it's still. Don't worry, it's just my savior survivor skin. I'll tell you if it's a focus chapter. We don't use not a lot actually. I changed my mind about a lot being a focus. Yeah, we got that stress. We got that super part over, dude. Oh, Draffy's just free roaming over there. We're good. Yeah. Let's go! That was clutch, dude. Yeah, I gave the gun to Pony there. That was crazy, guys. Who else saw that, bro? I hope this video gets so many views for that one moment, dude. So apparently Bunny has magical apparently Bunny has magical powers in this. Yay! Yeah, sorry if that's annoying, I'll stop. Wait, it's not? Okay. So next would be a mansion. But I'm Chapter 7 mansion. It's a filler. It's just a filler. Yeah, this is supposed to be a different bot, but it's just don't worry about which bot it is. Remember, we have to find the key carding. I will go find it. Hey, Poon, you need a key card. This is Chapter 9. We missed Chapter 8, filler, a little. But actually, we know that there is a safe place being built from that chapter. And I kind of forgot there. The facility key card. But we gotta go bop, 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 bop. Yep, they noticed. They noticed. They noticed. They noticed. Okay, we have a car there, and Pony gives the key cards to Pony. Shoot, bro, I have to pull that back. Yes! Woo! No, let's have the facility key card. I didn't mean for that glitch to be there, but it is, so deal with it. Yo, That was smart there. There he is. You can't get me. You can't get me. I'm up here. Okay. But maybe I'm waiting for that invincibility to charge up. Nope. I'm just gonna go. It never did. It never did. And you rain down. Rain down. Like. We're gonna make it. I gotta do that. Ha! Guys, I will just show you this cutscene because this is getting really annoying. That map's running back and forth is really annoying. No, it's not supposed to say. The water base, it's supposed to say, I changed it to, yeah, temple's next. Then the soccer game, then there's gonna be an airport. And then you'll make it to a facility. It will be airplane, then facility. And guys, that's gonna be it. Bye.